안녕하세요. Hello, K friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing very well. Many of our Korean friends should get some gifts. On the Lunar New Year last week, our family received a very special gift from a friend of my husband. It was abalone. Abalone is regarded as a high-quality food ingredient in Korean cuisine. And history says that it was often presented as a gift to the King of Korea. Guess what? When I saw the gift, I immediately decided to cook abalone rice porridge, 전복죽. Plus, all my family members also like it. So, can you make it together right away? Please make sure to press the subscription and turn on post notification button for more delicious Korean recipe. Your likes and comments really give me a lot of strength. Thank you.
Step 1. Washing sweet rice and soaking in water. Wash 1 cup of sweet rice 2 or 3 times. Soak the washed rice in water for about an hour. After 1 hour, take it out and drain it. This is sweet rice that has been soaked in water and drained. I will use it in a little while. Step 2. Preparing vegetables. Cut the onions 3 and 4 horizontally. Then cut it up to 3 and 4 of the length. And then chop again. Chop the sliced onions finely. Slice the carrot thinly. Cut the sliced carrots into small pieces again. Cut the sliced carrots finely again. Finely chop the green onions. All the vegetables are prepared. If you have any other vegetables you like, you can add them. Step 3. Trim abalone. First of all, I'll wash the abalone clean with a disposable toothbrush. If you look at it like this, you can see some dark sections on the abalone. I will wash this clean with a toothbrush. This side part is especially very dark. Wash this area thoroughly. Then the abalone will be clean. You can wash the rest of the abalone like this. Wash the abalone must be separately from the shell with a spoon. Using a spoon, apply a little force and push it little by little to separate the abalone from the shell. At this time, the front part of the abalone shell is thin and sharp, so carefully separate the abalone. The abalone is well separately from the shell. Do the rest as well. I will trim the abalone that has been removed from the shell. The first part of the abalone is the teeth. Cut this part. Cut off the teeth and squeeze the inner part, and the abalone esophagus comes out. This thin and long part of the abalone is the esophagus. Discard the abalone teeth and esophagus. And this dark colored part is abalone intestines. Cut off the inside of the abalone. If you look at it like this, there is a part that sticks out a little. This is a sandbag. Cut only this part and throw it away. It is said that 70% of nutrition are in the intestines of the abalone, so the rest will be used when boiling abalone porridge. I will cut the abalone. Cut it thinly to make it easier to eat. At this time, the abalone can be a little slippery, so cut it carefully. Cut the intestines that you cut a while ago with the scissors. All the ingredients for abalone porridge are ready. Step 4. Boil abalone porridge. You can boil it using a pot or a pan. When using a pot, the rice can stick to the bottom, so I will use a pan to boil it today. First, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Also put the intestines cut with scissors. Stir well. Once you stir fry it for a while, add the soaked sweet rice. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Then pour water. The amount of water poured is about 5 times the amount of rice, so you can add about 5 cups of water. Cover and boil over high heat. When the porridge starts to boil, lower the heat. Cover with a lid and continue boiling. When the rice is cooked to some extent, add a cut abalone. If you put abalone from the beginning and boil it, the abalone may become a little tough, so it is good to add it when the porridge is almost finished. And add the cut vegetables. Now I will season it. First, add 1 teaspoon of salt and season with the tuna fish sauce. If you don't have tuna fish sauce, you can also use fish sauce. Finally, add eggs. Delicious and nutritious abalone porridge is done.
Wow, it looks so delicious. Let me have a bite. Thanks to the sesame oil, the taste is very rich and savory. Let me have another bite with the abalone. The abalone is very chewy and tastes very fresh. I think this meal is very filling and easy to eat. And also it's really good for health. This is best porridge ever.